Hi guys, it is Rickdrieka Bennett here. I am super excited to hop on today, and I wanted to talk more so from a marketing perspective. Many people are creating offers, however, the offers are not selling, and they're wondering why. There are so many programs out there called the Irresistible offer. So, making sure you have the right offer and then making sure that your offer actually speaks to your ideal audience is key. So one of the things that I've noticed that many business owners are not doing is in order to get results, they don't have a roadmap of what they take their clients through. And if you have a roadmap of what you take your clients through, you're able to use that roadmap so that you can build relationship with that client and so that you can convert even more clients because you can develop lead magnets off of the different steps or phases of how you get that person to the results that they're wanting. The other thing that they're doing is they're selling the features of a product or service instead of the benefits of the product or service. So when I say selling the features of it, they're highlighting all the different things that they may help you with, but they're not highlighting all of the different results. So one of the things that we focus on is the currency aspect of an offer. So if you, for example, if you are a fitness trainer or if you're in that niche, you may have a currency where of results where you're helping people to lose weight, have more energy, um, be more mental in a better mental state or have more mental clarity. And those are currencies or results that you sell. But saying something generic of possibly losing this weight or possibly doing X, Y, and Z is not going to convert or allow people to really relate with you when it comes to your offer. So making sure you have clarity on the offer and making sure you understand the struggles that they're going against that's keeping them from the results that they want. If you know the struggles and the pain points, you're able to sell your offer and you're able to build that relationship that will actually convert your offer. Another thing that people are doing when it comes to their offer that's preventing them from sales is that they're downplaying what they have to offer. They're selling things for $75 or $95 or for $8, which the value of that product or service is much higher than that. So then people will look at it and be like, well, why is it this low? Or is it worth it since it's this low? So you're devaluing your product or service when you're undervaluing it with a very low price that doesn't convert. So keeping all of that in mind is essential to one, know your results, know the steps or the roadmap or the process of how you get your clients to the result. And two, making sure you're packaging your product or your service the right way where you when you present it to that client or that lead that they will be like, hey, this is something that I know I definitely need. So I hope this helps. And if you have more questions about marketing, feel free to connect with me.